Good day. Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Today, you are going to learn about finding the greatest common factor or GCF using prime factorization. I have here a word problem. There are 45 girls and 30 boys who want to participate in 4th grade math tournament. What is the greatest number of teams that can compete in the math competition if each team must have the same number of girls and boys? To answer the problem, you must find the greatest common factor or GCF. Here's how you do it using prime factorization. Let us find the greatest common factor of 45 and 30. Let's start making a factor tree for the number 45. 45 can be factored into 5 times 9. 5 is a prime, so we are done. 9 is composite. 9 can be factored into 3 times 3. Now, let's the prime factors of 45. We have 5 times 3 times 3. Next, we make factor tree for the number 30. 30 can be factored into 5 times 6. 5 is prime, so we are done. 6 is composite. 6 can be factored into 2 times 3. Now, let's the prime factors of 30. We have 5, 2, and 3. Next, we need to find the common prime factors of 45 and 30. We have 5 and 3. Then we multiply the common prime factors. 5 times 3 equals 15. So, our greatest common factor or GCF is 15. So, the greatest number of teams is 15. Another example, let us find the greatest common factor of 32 and 40. Let's start making factor tree for the number 32. 32 can be factored into 8 times 4. 8 can be factored into 2 times 4. And 4 can be factored into 2 times 2. And 4 can be factored into 2 times 2. Now, let's the prime factors of 32. We have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and times 2. Next, we make factor tree for the number 40. 40 can be factored into 5 times 8. 5 is prime and 8 is composite. 8 can be factored into 2 times 4. 2 is prime and 4 is composite. So 4 can be factored into 2 times 2. Now, let's the prime factors of 40. We have 5 times 2 times 2 and times 2. Then, we need to find the common prime factors of 32 and 40. We have 2 times 2 times 2. Then, multiply the common prime factors. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. So, the GCF or the greatest common factor is 8. Another example, 18 and 24. Let us find the greatest common factor of 18 and 24. Let's start making factor tree for the number 18. 18 can be factored into 6 times 3. 3 is prime. 6 can be factored into 2 times 3. Now, list the prime factors of 18. We have 2 times 3 times 3. Next, we make factor tree for the number 24. 24 can be factored into 6 times 4. 6 can be factored into 2 times 3. And 4 can be factored into 2 times 2. Now, list the prime factors of 24. We have 2 times 3 times 2 and times 2. Then, we need to find the common prime factors of 18 and 24. We have 2 and 3. Then, multiply the common prime factors. 2 times 3 equals 6. So, the GCF or the greatest common factor is 6. Another example. Let us find the greatest common factor of 42 and 56. Let's start making factor tree for the number 42. 42 can be factored into 7 times 6. 7 is prime. 6 is composite. 6 can be factored into 2 times 3. Now, list the prime factors of 42. We have 7 times 2 and times 3. Next, we make the factor tree for the number 56. 56 can be factored into 7 times 8. 7 is prime. 8 can be factored into 2 times 4. 2 is prime and 4 is composite. So 4 can be factored into 2 times 2. Now, list the prime factors of 56. We have 7 times 2 times 2 and times 2. Then, we need to find the common prime factors of 42 and 56. We have 7 and 2. Then, multiply the common prime factors. 7 times 2 equals 14. So, the GCF is 14. Quiz time! Let's answer this. Find the greatest common factor using prime factorization. Let us find the GCF of 10 and 20. You only have 10 seconds to answer. Start now. Time's up! So, the common prime factors are 5 and 2. So, 5 times 2 equals 10. So, the answer is 10. Another 25 and 35. Time's up. The common prime factor is 5. So, the GCF or the greatest common factor is 5. Another 15 and 12. Time's up. The common prime factor is 3. So the GCF is 3. 12 and 14. Time's up. The common prime factor is 2. So, the greatest common factor is 2. Another 20 and 16. Time's up. The common prime factors are 2 and 2. So, 2 times 2 equals 4. So, the GCF is 4. Next, 12 and 36. Time's up. The common prime factors are 2 and 3. So, 2 times 3 equals 6. The greatest common factor is 6. Another 21 and 56. Time's up. The common prime factor is 7. So the GCF is 7. Another 24 and 40. Time's up. The common prime factors 2, 2, and 2. So, 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. So, the greatest common factor is 8. Next, 27 and 36. Time's up. The common prime factors are 3 and 3. So, the GCF is 9 because 3 times 3 equals 9. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy learning about finding the greatest common factor using prime factorization. Thanks for watching.